probably wondering why I'm standing here at 8:30 at night looking at you, okay, in my pajamas. We have a special guest. My husband has ordered something from Louis Vuitton and we want to unbox it. And I'm nosy. I want to see what he got from Louis Vuitton. People, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you have to do is hit the free. It's free, okay? And it's Christmas, okay? It's free and it's Christmas, and that's what I want for my present. Hit the subscribe button and let's be friends. Now, we are here at night. It's 8:30. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired. I'm tired, but I'm also nosy. And me being nosy outweighs me being tired. My husband has ordered something from Louis Vuitton and he won't tell me what he ordered, okay? And the only how I can know what he ordered is if he opened the box. Well, so we're going to let him do this unboxing and I can see what he got. He don't want to wait for Christmas, but like, why would he wait for Christmas? Because it's his and he already know what it is. And also, I want to know what it is because what's the secrets? Why we got secrets? Okay, let's do this unboxing.
Okay, so since you're forcing me to do this unboxing at 8:30 at night, this is only one of my two boxes.
You got something else?
So this is only...
You went shopping?
Partial.
You went shopping?
So it won't give you the
Is the second box for me?
effect.
Is the second box for me?
No, they're both for me.
What the f?
But it won't give you the full effect with only one box. But I'm going to let you see what's in this one box.
Okay, open the box. Now I want to see. Why I need a full... Now how you got two boxes coming and I ain't got nothing in the box? I feel like that's highway robbery. In the words of Heidi, that's some bullshit.
What? You can't say that on TV.
Probably can't. You need some help? Is that enough box for me?
No.
I feel used, baby. Ooh, you got the pretty holiday pack. You sure that's not for me?
I'm sure, but you could pull the wrapper for me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, here we go. This is nice. I like this.
I like the little chrome on it. Gold.
Yeah. That's nice. I like that. You know what? I could turn... Did you see where I took the Louis Vuitton ribbon, like the regular ribbon, and I put it in the... Yeah. Well, it's supposed to be a snow globe.
Well, Louis Vuitton
This could be a ornament. I can make that an ornament. Okay. All right. Let's see what's in the box. For real. I'm not playing. I don't know what's in this box.
That's pretty cool. Wings in a trunk.
Yeah. I could put some strings and make that an ornament. Okay, I'm not lying, y'all. I don't know what's in this box.
She really don't.
I really don't. Okay.
Like I said, that back would be better at both right here.
Okay. Here we go. It's the new push boxes. What's in the box? Oh, hell. What is this? Okay. What is this? It's a card. Hold on, let me open the card. What did you buy? This is why you can't go shopping without me because you be making these decisions. And it's a card. You bought a card. What did you buy?
I didn't buy this.
You didn't buy this.
I didn't buy this.
What is it?
I didn't buy
Wait, let me open the card. Hold on. Louis Vuitton. Lord, it's broken.
What?
Wait. It's a gift from Kaylee. This is not your order?
That's what I'm saying. I didn't think my stuff was coming.
Oh my God.
Like, what the hell?
It's a gift for my CA. Okay, dear Rakita and Mark, thank you for your continued dedication to the Louis Vuitton brand. Please enjoy this small token of gratitude on behalf of me and your friends at Louis Vuitton. Happy holidays, Kaylee.
So she did give you an ornament.
It
That
did.
is an ornament.
Oh, thank you. Good job. I thought this was his order. Apparently, he had made an order at Louis Vuitton that, oh my God. Okay, so wait, let me show. So this was in there. Hold on, give me the box. Let me show the people. So this is what's in the box. My bad, y'all. I thought this was what I thank you, Kaylee.
I told you I didn't have a tracking yet. And I didn't think mine comes that.
And then and the trunk, the ornament is on the. So hold this for me. So this ornament is on the key, the luggage tag. Oh, thank you, Kay. And then a ornament. I probably could hang it up.
You can. They give you a string right here.
Oh, they gave me a string to it. I'll show y'all better pictures. Oh, okay. Oh, and a little light. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. I could have saved that for Christmas Day.
You still can.
I mean, yeah, I know what it is now, but oh, I love that. That was awesome. Okay, well, that is my Louis Vuitton gift from my lovely, beautiful, awesome CA. And I guess we gotta have to stay tuned to see what he ordered. Apparently, you ordered two things.
I ordered 2 things.
And neither one of them things is mine. I got out of bed for this. I'm going back to bed. Okay, good people, that is it. Thank you so much for, I guess well, your name was on the card too. Okay, that's fine. Okay. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me, and then keep up with me. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube because we got what I got for Christmas coming up. We got year review. I got a lot of videos coming up that I ain't filmed yet, but I'm on it. Don't even worry about it. So go ahead, follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Everywhere is at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye. You gotta say bye.